Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mermaid slime is probably one of the most enchanting and mesmerizing toys available today, captivating both children and adults with its shimmering colors, unique textures, and magical appeal, making it a perfect choice for sensory play, stress relief, or simply as a delightful decorative item that brings a touch of fantasy into everyday life. Number 5. Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit for Girls. Unleash your creativity with this delightful ice cream slime kit. It's designed to spark imagination, allowing kids to create unique slimes with fun scents and colorful mix-ins. This comprehensive kit includes everything needed to make custom slimes, from clear glue and activator to delightful scents, toppings, and tools. You can create endless variations. More than just fun, this DIY kit helps develop creativity and decision-making skills. Kids learn through hands-on mixing and design, making it an engaging educational experience. Get ready for sensory-rich play. This set provides stretchy, squishy textures and vibrant colors, perfect for imaginative crafting and hours of entertainment. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a storage container to keep all the supplies organized for future fun. What we like? This kit offers a creative and hands-on experience with its ice cream theme and numerous components. If you are looking for a fun arts and crafts activity that encourages decision-making and creativity, this is a great choice for kids aged 8 to 12. What people say. The slime is very stretchy and has a great texture. The color is vibrant and the glitter adds a nice touch. It's not sticky and easy to clean up. Number 4. Original Stationery Sweet Sprinkles Ice Cream Slime Kit. Dive into a world of creativity with this amazing slime kit. It's designed for kids who love to make fun, imaginative crafts. You can make your very own fluffy slimes that look just like delicious ice cream sundaes, donuts, and cupcakes. It's a truly unique crafting experience. Get ready for a delightful sensory adventure with our sweet-scented slime. The vibrant colors and fragrances make crafting even more enjoyable. Looking for a special gift? This kit is a fantastic choice for birthdays or any occasion, encouraging imaginative play away from screens. This DIY craft kit is perfect for spending quality time together. Work as a team to create something amazing and improve your coordination. Everything you need is included to start creating right away. It's a fun and engaging way to develop new skills. What we like? This kit provides an engaging craft experience with a delightful ice cream theme, focusing on sensory play and sweet scents. If you want a fun activity that promotes family interaction and creativity, this is perfect for children aged 7 to 12. What people say. The slime is very stretchy and has a nice texture. It's easy to play with and doesn't make a mess. The glitter in the slime adds a beautiful sparkle. Number 3. Barbie Dreamtopia Slime Mermaid Doll. Little imaginations can dive into tactile fun and fairy tale storytelling with this magical mermaid doll. With 2 pouches of colorful, glittery slime, kids can enjoy squishable, hands-on fun and sweet storytelling. Squeeze, stretch, and roll the slime for endless fun. Press the button on her back to release her tail and add even more sparkle. When you're ready to play again, squeeze the slime out of her tail to squish and stretch over and over again. Her colorful look includes a pink bodice, a purple tiara, and a translucent tail that reflects the slime sparkle. Join slime and fantasy for lots of hands-on fairy tale fun. Collect all the dolls to create your own magical stories. What we like? This product combines a Barbie mermaid doll with interactive slime play, offering a unique fantasy-themed experience. If you are looking for a toy that encourages storytelling and tactile fun for younger children aged 3 to 7, this doll with its glittery slime is an excellent option. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and has a great texture. It comes with cute little mermaid charms and glitter. The color is a beautiful iridescent blue that shifts in the light. Number 2. FunKidz Mermaid Slime Kit for Girls. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one kit. It includes everything you need to make a variety of dazzling slimes, from sparkling ocean slime to sweet vanilla-scented butter slime. Customize your slime with vibrant colors, delightful scents, and fun add-ins. You can even decorate your creations with adorable mermaid charms to make over 100 unique styles. Enjoy a pleasant and comfortable experience with the included vanilla ocean flavor. This slime is designed to be enjoyable for kids of all ages. Don't let your amazing creations dry out. Our kit comes with 6 airtight containers, perfect for storing your ready-made slime and keeping it fresh for future play. Looking for a special gift? This summer Mermaid Slime set is an ideal birthday present or party favor for girls aged 6 to 12. It's also great for camps, festivals, and school events. Making slime is more than just fun, it's an educational activity. It helps improve creativity, hands-on skills, and color matching abilities, making it a fantastic toy for young learners. With plenty of slime making supplies included, you can share the joy with your friends. It's a wonderful way to encourage teamwork and build friendships during your mermaid party. What we like? This kit focuses on creating various mermaid-themed slimes with shimmery and metallic finishes, including scented options. If you want a comprehensive slime-making experience with multiple textures and the convenience of storage containers for reuse, this is ideal for kids aged 8 to 12. What people say. The slime is very stretchy and has a great texture. It comes with cute little mermaid charms that add to the fun. The color is vibrant and sparkly, just like the picture. Number 1. 24-pack Mermaid Slime Party Favors for Kids. Dive into a world of enchantment with our 24-pack Mermaid Slime Party Favors. Each cup is filled with brilliant colors and starlight, offering a magical mermaid experience for kids. Experience the joy of stretchy, non-sticky slime. It's incredibly pliable and snaps back into shape, providing a unique play experience without leaving any residue on hands or clothes. This versatile putty encourages imagination and hands-on creativity, allowing kids to craft endless shapes and colors. It's also a fantastic tool for stress and anxiety relief, keeping them entertained for hours. Crafted from safe, non-toxic, and odorless materials, our slime is gentle on skin and eyes. You can share the fun with confidence, knowing it's safe for everyone. These slime kits are ideal for any celebration. Whether it's a birthday, holiday, or just a fun surprise, they make a perfect party favor or classroom reward. Designed for kids of all ages, this slime is sure to be a hit. It's the perfect prize for boys and girls, bringing smiles and entertainment. What we like? This is a large pack of individual slime cups, perfect for party favors or classroom rewards, offering a non-sticky and stretchy texture. If you need a cost-effective and fun option for a large group, such as a party or as goodie bag stuffers for kids aged 3 to 12, this bulk pack is a fantastic choice. What people say. The slime is super stretchy and has a great texture. It comes with cute little mermaid charms that add to the fun. The colors are vibrant and sparkly, just like in the pictures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.